I'm alive. Just kidding. I'm dead inside, emotionally. But that's neither here nor there. There's still only one cure for hungry, thirsty, and that...
This is an important announcement regarding water restrictions in Warrnambool. Wannon Water advises listeners that critical water restrictions are now in effect due to severely low water storage levels and increased demand. Residents and businesses in the affected area must take immediate action to reduce water use. Effective immediately outdoor watering using sprinklers or hoses is prohibited. Washing cars, driveways and hard surfaces is not permitted. Filling or topping up pools, spas, and water features is banned. Only essential indoor water use should continue. These restrictions are necessary to protect remaining drinking water supplies and to ensure essential services, including hospitals, firefighting, and emergency response, can continue operating. Failure to comply may result in fines or enforcement action. Residents are urged to take shorter showers, fix leaks as soon as possible, run washing machines and dishwashers only when full, and avoid all non-essential water use. Water conditions are being monitored daily and additional measures may be introduced if the situation worsens. Official updates will be issued via local radio, emergency alerts and Oz Media. Please act now to conserve water or we will dry up.